Do you need some special malts but at home you have only Pilsner or pale malt? You can make it following this video. So let's do it! Seriously? You want to toast the malt already crushed? Yes, it's true. Usually you roast the grain and after you crush them. But because this is a practical video, so it's also practical to buy a big amount of pale malt, for example, and make your special malt by yourself. So if you buy a big amount of grain, I bought 25 kilograms, I also asked to the company to grind for me, because a big amount like this to grind by yourself will be, you need a lot of time. So now we will toast it also if it's already crushed. Another things, please buy a scale. The cost is €10, $15. So will be easy not only for this recipe but for all your recipe in the world, because with the scale you are more precise. Cup and other small unity, different kind of unity is so complicated, but with the scale, with grams, you cannot make a mistake. Okay, coming back to our video, we will make 5 different kind of malt: biscuit, caramel, crystal, chocolate and black. So let's start with the biscuit and caramel. With your oven preheated at 160 Celsius degree, that in Fahrenheit is 320 Fahrenheit degree, we can bake our 1 kilogram of malt divided in 500 grams will be caramel and 500 grams will be biscuit. Timer 10 minutes. Why? Because every 10 minutes we need to mix them. In this way all of them will receive the same amount of heat. I forgot to mention before, fan oven or fan assistant oven. Remember. And after 25 minutes at 160 Celsius degree or 320 Fahrenheit degree, our biscuit malt is ready. The other one we should keep in the oven. And after 50 minutes at 160 Celsius degree or 320 Fahrenheit degree, our caramel malt is ready. And after 40 minutes at 180 Celsius degree or 355 Fahrenheit degree, our amber or crystal malt is ready. And after 20 minutes at 200 Celsius degree or 390 Fahrenheit degree, our chocolate malt is ready. Please be careful, because for the chocolate and for the black malt, some smoke will start to get out from the oven, so remember to open the windows. So after 15 minutes at 220 Celsius degree or 430 Fahrenheit degree, our black malt is ready. Like you see, it's still smoking a little bit. The black malt and the chocolate malt, remember to mix every 5 minutes. 10 minutes maybe is too long. And your special malts are ready. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try this recipe, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice, please let us know down in the comment. If you try maybe from barley to make malt, or from rice to make malt, or from corn to make malt, let us know in the comment, because you can find all these 3 videos here on the channel. After that you have prepared these special malts, you should wait at least 1 week before you can use it, because they need to stabilize. Bye bye.